Hello everybody, welcome back to toolsforguys.com. My name is Ruben, the father of the three sons. Just wanted to quickly demonstrate my new tool that I added to my repertoire of Kobalt tools. This is a jigsaw, 24 volt. All my tools are 24 volt. They use the same battery. I have my drill, my impact driver, which of course are very powerful. They basically do the same thing, except the impact driver can drive with a lot more power, especially for sockets. And of course I recently had purchased a little saw. Very useful tool, very lightweight, take it everywhere, and of course uses the same battery and can cut metal as well. So today, right quick, demonstrate my jigsaw. I am going to remove one of the batteries from, there we go, and put it on my jigsaw like so, and it's good to go. Lay these down right quick. The nice fancy thing about this jigsaw, besides its many features, is I just drop that in place and it's good to go. There, just like that, and it's ready. So let me just get my glasses right quick. Okay, and continuing with my feature on the jigsaw, 24 volt Kobalt. Of course, it uses the same battery as my repertoire of tools that I already have. As a proud retiree, a do-it-yourselfer, this is awesome. So here's my jigsaw display, and we're going to cut a 2x4. And there we have it. Typically in the past that would have taken me probably a couple of minutes to cut with my old jigsaw, but that's very quick. If I want to cut metal, I'll just do a quick release here. There it is. Get my new blade, I would simply just drop it in place and it's good to go. Very simple. Of course it has all the features of most jigsaws. You can tilt it, cut different angles, right, and it's got different options as well. It can help control the blade a little bit, like orbital control. Really dandy tool. So now I have 4 in my repertoire of 24 volt Kobalt tools. You need to get at least one of them. Take care now. We'll see you soon.